पब्लिक को नया फॉर्मेट काफी अच्छा लग रहा
बहुत
है.
ज्यादा.
A lot of nice comments have come in. One guy is like, so you mean like every podcast?
Bro, I also like how in one episode we've run out of topics.
Huh?
In
No,
one
no.
episode we've run out of
Baba, we've
topics.
not run out of topics. We've not looked for them.
Yeah.
There's a big difference.
But that's the beauty of this format. But no, thank you for all the amazing response to the new format, and some responses were amazing.
Bro, मैं एक
and
बताता हूँ तेरे को.
especially, yeah.
मैं एक बताता हूँ. तो Discord पे मैंने पूछा कि did you guys like the new format? तो most people said yeah. One guy was super enthusiastic. बोलता है कि bro अगर तुम लोग हगोगे भी तो भी मैं देखूंगा. And like some 5 minutes later, one guy replies to him saying, शायद मैं नहीं देखूंगा.
That shayad मैं नहीं देखूंगा guy is Varun secretly on Discord. He's like, this is not something I want to watch.
God, हगूंगा. चलो हगते हैं फिर. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Said So, a show we take random facts and trivia and personal stories that happened to us and we watched on the internet and we talk about it. And today's episode is. Oh, I can't say that because.
There is no episode
No.
title yet.
Yet.
Oh man.
Yet. But we'll figure it out by the end of this of this recording.
Yeah.
So, Kautuk.
Also, yeah. So I'll start, but before that, I just want to say two things. One, it's so much better without Adar, no?
Yeah, guys, y'all thought we were kidding about Adar not being there as a format. That is the format.
Oh,
And
shit.
we were laughing so much because, we knew that when the second episode would come out and you wouldn't see Adar, you'd be like, oh, wait, what? And
Yes,
that's the
actually-
truth. He's not going to be on it, unfortunately. He's taken a bit of a sabbatical. And I don't know when he'll be back. So you
He's
guys
just
can
in the
message him.
thumbnail. That's it.
Yeah, and that I also told them. I said thumbnail se bhi nikalo. People shouldn't get because a lot of other fans coming in to watch Adar and he's not there. So he's not going to be there, guys.
Yeah.
I can message him and ask him when he's going to come back.
Yeah.
Nobody's taking us seriously. But in the third episode, when he's not there,
Not there.
or maybe in the 14th episode from now, when he's not there, you'll be like, oh, that is the format. That is.
That
And that's when on the 15th episode he'll return.
We'll-
saying, "My sabbatical."
ये हम लोग ने लंबा सोचा है.
Okay. A second thing before we begin with the proceedings, I just want to tell you क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. मैं shoot के लिए गया था. ठीक है.
ए मेरे को शूट के बारे में मत करिए सब. तू चल
अच्छा,
बोल
ठीक है.
लेकिन.
नहीं, but
बोल.
I just want to tell you two things. Okay, first, Baba, this is for you. Shoot पे मेरे को मिला sandwich. वो भी सौगी वाला.
अबे
सेव
shoot
के
पे-
साथ.
that sounds like कोई
Dude,
पिछले
here's
शूट
the
का
thing.
रख के गया था और तुझे मिला.
Here's the thing, okay? Kautuk said he had one picture in some vanity van, okay? And he had that celeb vanity van. You know, the
Yeah, it was a
two-door
very nice.
white color,
Oh,
जिसमें
mine.
PlayStation है वाला. वो सब.
Ah.
So by the way, Baba, so the second thing I want to tell you was that exact vanity van I had, Varun had gotten that van for SRCP season 2. तो और उसका स्मेल अभी तक वही था.
मैं अपनी छाप छोड़ के जाता हूँ.
But what a weird set of things, no? That we know vanity vans now. कि ये
What do you
black
mean?
वाला बाहर से with golden.
अच्छा,
line
like you
कौन
know,
सा van?
Yeah.
but eventually you do realize because वो vanity van की कंपनी गिन के उतने ही है और
हाँ.
अगर तू same production या किसके साथ काम कर रहा है so it's more likely you'll get to see it again. But तेरा two door वाला था ना?
Yeah, it had.
लिविंग रूम बना के रखते हैं
हाँ.
और अंदर एक
with a-
changing room with.
There's a PlayStation and all, dude.
Dude,
It's
they have
great.
fake plants and all. They have fake plants and stuff. Must like, but it makes such a big difference. Okay, like as any artist who goes for shoots or whatever, your vanity van makes a big difference to how your day is going to go. So if you look at any of the top guys, इन लोग तो खुद का ही लेके आते हैं, but थोड़ा भी एक mid range भी जाएगा, they are all very picky about their vanity vans because you're spending. You know what
Yeah,
people don't realize?
a
More
lot of
time on
time.
shoot is spent
Waiting.
in the bloody vanity van just waiting. मतलब तेरा actual shot आने के लिए बहुत time लगता है और तू बैठा है उधर ही या बैठी है and it just gets really frying. तो
That's usually my fault. Because that it's taking so long to come. हाँ.
So, but yeah, they had these two giant sofas in this van, okay? And I was
At right angles.
at right angles, at right angles. And here's the thing, okay? So my shoot got done by 7. I think they were packing up the whole place by 8. और मेरा गाड़ी थोड़ा लेट था. This was we were shooting in mud, so गाड़ी थोड़ा was waiting for car. So तब तक बंदा आ गया है बोल के कि sir I have to clean the van because नहीं तो फिर lights बंद कर देंगे, ठीक है? तो I have to do it now. तो I said ठीक है कर लो. तो then I was sitting on the side.
पुलिस है क्या?
Exactly.
मतलब क्या जेनी
सर
बंद
लास्ट सॉन्ग सर एक बार.
Also कौतुक मेरे को एक शिकायत है कि तू
हाँ?
Also मेरे को एक शिकायत है कि तू इतना अच्छा तू खत्म कर फिर मेरे को मैं शिकायत
I was just talking about the fact that वो झाड़ रहा था वो सोफे को. Dude, उससे इतना धूल निकला. Like half of Rajasthan came out of that sofa. It was fucking insane.
अबे लेकिन तू खुद बैठने के पहले झटकता क्यों नहीं देखने के लिए?
क्योंकि मेरे को लगा साफ होएगा.
देखो सैंडविच भी मिल रहा है उधर. Hi sir, I would like sandwich. Just go behind. Just move a few like wooden logs.
Here's the thing. Varun तू देगा इसका star tantrum. 7 o'clock he's finished shooting at mud. He's not taking jetty, bro.
Why?
He's waiting for car to come. So
because
that's 1 hour extra. That drive of just getting to like how can you not take mud jetty?
Golden rule of shooting
Mud
or doing
Island
anything
shooting.
at Mud Island.
Jetty.
You live there, ये
Jetty in out.
और आजकल 2 टाइप का है. पहले एक जेटी वो होता है जिसपे मतलब
Yeah.
it looks like you are fleeing a country. एक वो वाला
Yeah.
होता है. तो सब पब्लिक किधर भी ऐसे चढ़के बढ़के. And bro, Mud Island wala jetty is hardcore because the first time I went, I saw they have this thing where it looks very prehistoric in the way they do it, but it's also the most convenient, right? Because a lot of people work there or they're coming from there here,
or stay
they
there,
make it provision to also get your bike on it.
Bikes on
Yeah, with the and they put that one plank.
One plank and suddenly the biker करके आता है. क्या बाइक भी है साइड में, बाइक काइनेटिक साइकिल और धटपट रहे लोग सब उधर. But because the boat ride is what 2 minutes.
Not even, dude. It's actually they can build a bridge from one side of that to the other for you to walk over. It's like a walking bridge. It's nothing. It's a stone's throw away.
They won't build a bridge. They'll just put a bigger plank.
You can. I'm saying you can. That's how close it is.
But that's what a bridge is. It's just a very big plank.
No, it's a plank at a height. This is just a plank along the river.
But no, you know what they've also done now? It's that एक तो वो
it's that other jetty, na? It's that Larsen and Toubro wala jetty.
Which is thoda better and it's 10 rupees.
Also, it's limited seating.
Not 2
no,
rupees.
that's the thing about it.
Yeah.
It's limited seating. That's
so every time you go on it, it's relatively empty. It's not crowded.
So clearly, Varun has not gone to mud for a while.
Why?
That left side jetty is not 3 rupees anymore.
Why? Kitna?
It's 5.
Oh my God.
Shit. And the other one is 20.
दूसरा bond jetty 20.
20.
ठीक है, adjusted for inflation.
No, but, I think it is 10. I think it is still 10. हाँ, but ठीक है.
अभी क्योंकि मैंने वो जेटी से मलाइका अरोरा, आलिया भट्ट,
अरे
jetty is the best, dude. There is no.
But talking about this, I just saw a picture in the paper, okay, which was आलिया भट्ट snapped at Versova jetty, रिक्शा से निकल के जा रही है, ठीक है. कभी वरुण ठाकुर स्नैप्ड एट जेटी होगा क्या?
नहीं, एक सेकंड.
या कौतुक श्रीवास्तव स्नैप्ड एट जेटी.
Thakur, there was one photo of Saif Ali Khan in the jetty, okay? So he's got his mask and everything. He's in the jetty, just standing. और public ऐसा.
But
it was the look that said कि अभी आ गया Saif.
बॉम्बे ट्रैफिक के सामने सब झुकते.
Bro, but
तू कोई भी हो.
But that's what I'm saying. And Kautuk is waiting for a car to drive him out of mud.
They told me that just wait for the car. I said,
what a guy, dude. Dude, I take the car to Mud Jetty and say, drop me at Mud Jetty. I'm crossing over and taking an Uber. It's not happening. Dude, are you mad? 90 minutes more.
Bro, it's even more now because of the metro construction. So now it's not 90 minutes. तू Mud Island पे अंदर जा रहा है शूट करने तो.
Also, but Thakur, it makes no sense for you, na? You have to go to Andheri only. Like, I don't understand. Like, you wouldn't take the car anyway. For you, तो the jetty is convenient.
Yeah, but ऐसे नहीं, मैं कार में नहीं गया हूँ. मैं गया हूँ कार में भी. अभी बारिश के टाइम पे जेटी जब ये नई फंक्शन है तो देखो गाड़ी में जाना पड़ता है.
नहीं, जेटी तो फंक्शनल है. Jetty
Jetty is
doesn't
never not
stop.
going to be. Yeah.
Jetty doesn't stop, bro.
Because by the way, so Thakur and I used to go for, I don't know which shoots, dude, like a bunch of shoots to mud.
अरे वो porn film shoot करे थे अपन.
Ah, that one.
Early years of comedy.
It was called Malabar Cadillac. So,
Nice.
so every time we used to cross the jetty, we used to look in the water and we used to be like,
Oh yeah,
bro,
yeah.
like just imagine all the life forms that are mutated.
And you know what? No, it's not just mutated. For me, I always have this thing कि मैं एक दिन slip होके गिर जाए.
गिर गया, हाँ.
और ये मैं हमेशा सोचता है जब मैं जेटी पे साइड में टंगे हुए, वो बॉन्ड जेटी नहीं, दूसरा वाला, उस पे लटका, हमेशा मैं मतलब गिर जाऊंगा, ठीक है. एक दिन ऐसी वन ऑफ माय जेटी राइड्स बैक,
Oh God.
मेरे को लग रहा है मैं गिर जाऊंगा, ठीक है. ऑब्वियसली बहुत जगह है, मैं गिर रहा नहीं है, बट दिमाग में चल रहा है, एंड आई सी बबल्स इन द वाटर. एंड आई वाज लाइक, ये कौन गिरा था, कब, क्या ईयर था. एंड द बबल्स मूव मोर, सो यू नो देयर समथिंग अंडरनीथ, फिर रिपल्स दिखते हैं, और एक ऐसे कुत्ता बाहर आता है, ब्रो. This dog's OG color must be white or whatever, but he's come out black, full ऐसे dripping of what seems like tar. It's not water. It's not water. And this dog has casually ऐसे ना फड़क के
shaken himself off and walked.
और normal फिर जाके मच्छी वो पड़ी है, मच्छी खा रहा है.
And then after Machi has gone for shoot. Because
एक दिन Godzilla निकलेगा, bro.
You know they'll never build a bridge, no? Because
काइजू कैसे आया?
They'll never build a bridge across that because of like just the nexus.
Because of kaiju, for sure, bro.
No, because
तो
that,
आएगा ही.
the amount of revenue you collect with those two jetties, they're not going to build. You're mad.
yeah, it's
I
a lot
mean,
of revenue.
Yeah, वो तो है, but फिर भी.
So okay. So shall we proceed? With today's.
We've already proceeded. We have proceeded 10 minutes.
नहीं, as in like मैं बताऊं आज क्या लेके आया हूँ.
क्या लाया तू खाने में आज?
मर्ड क्या जेटी से फिश करके क्या लाया तू?
So today आज का fresh catch है. I found it on Wikipedia. It is an article. Now if you haven't already, then go to Wikipedia and check this page out. It is called Ming of Harlem. Okay,
M-I-N-G.
Ming of Harlem. Yeah, M-I-N-G of Harlem. Now Ming is a tiger, or should I say was a tiger? Okay.
Oh,
Ming was a tiger.
Zoo captivity type tiger or something?
No, it's not a zoo tiger. So now everyone has seen, or a lot of people have seen the thing that came out on Netflix, right? The Tiger King.
Tiger King. Huh.
Yeah. So now this is very much in line with that, but it's an insane story. Okay, what a story this is. So it happens in 2003. Okay, when a man called Antoine Yates, who's a taxi cab driver, he shows up in 2003. He shows up at a hospital, at the Harlem Hospital Center emergency room on September 30th, 2003. And he's got bites on his arms and legs. Okay. So at the time of treatment, Yates says that these bites have been caused by his pet pit bull. But the doctors at the emergency center were a little skeptical because judging by the size of the gash and the distance of the teeth, they were like, this has been caused by an animal with a much larger jaw. Okay. So now what happens is, based on this information, they tip off the cops. The New York City Police Department sends a officer over to this man's house. As he approaches the door, he suddenly hears growling inside. Okay, so he decides to avoid entering the thing very understandably. Okay, so what they instead do is he calls the technical assistance response unit, and they go to the neighbor and they say कि sir हमें जरा आपके घर के wall से drill करने का है. The neighbor's like, क्यों? He's like, we suspect there's a large animal next door. Neighbor's like, हाँ मेरे को भी लग रहा था.
क्योंकि रोज मैं जा रहा हूँ पूछने के लिए कैसे हो, तो अंदर से ना सर आप ठीक हो, आपका गला खराब है, क्या हो रहा है? मैंने समझा खांसी है उनको.
So they drill a hole and they put a camera on a pole and they put the camera in and they find out that there's a goddamn 450-pound tiger in this house.
Wow.
So now here's what they do. They send a one of the officers, he goes to the roof and using ropes, he abseils down. Okay. Now, please Google this, okay, on Google Images. There's a photo. What an amazing photo this is. It's a photo of the cop on a rope outside a apartment window. And in the window, there's a snarling tiger. Okay. So the cop has abseiled down. He has seen the tiger. The tiger has jumped at him, broken the window. Okay. And then retreated. That's what I'm saying. Just look up that photograph. It's so
Let me try
insane.
and find it and project it. Huh?
Okay. So he has done this. And when the tiger retreated, they were able to tranquilize it. Okay. They send a vet in. The vet again cautiously tranquilizes this cat again, sedates him so that they can transport him out. It took 6 men to lift the sedated Ming out of the apartment. Now here's where it gets even crazier. As they went through the apartment, in another room, they found a 5.5 foot alligator.
Wow.
That's right. This alligator was called Al. Okay. The
Of
tiger
course,
was called
because what would you call it?
Wow. Not Prakash.
So now here's what's happened. Okay. So
And they've cohabited in this apartment in Harlem.
Yes. And it gets even
दरवाजा
crazier.
बंद किया है ना, उनको खोलने नहीं आता है, चूतिए एलिगेटर
but
के हाथ
come
नहीं है
on.
और टाइगर को भूख लगा है तो
That doesn't
Okay,
really,
so-
I don't think that is the issue, but
Now, let me tell you a couple more details about this story. Okay. So, this story began in April of 2000 when Antoine Yates, who was a taxi cab driver, okay, and that too a part-time taxi cab driver, okay, not a full-time. He's got a 5-room apartment in New York. Somehow, I don't know the
what
fucking
taxi is he
article.
driving?
Exactly. So, it's a lucrative business, and he's got this thing. And here's what happens: he purchases an 8-week-old Siberian Bengal tiger hybrid. Okay, so best of both worlds. He procures it from the Bearcat Hollow Animal Park in Minnesota.
I'm sorry, I think Kautuk, I found the image. If you
हाँ
give
हाँ
me a
पहले वो
second.
दिखा दे. Yeah. That's
Bro.
real.
Yeah, wow, dude.
उस टाइगर ने ये विंडो तोड़ा कैसे?
Bro,
Bro, वो
it's a
tiger है.
450 pound
वो
tiger.
ठीक है. हाँ,
It's a
वो भी है.
tiger. वो पंजा मारेगा टूट जाएगा, bro.
मैं इतना भी नहीं है, चूतिए थोड़ा कुछ
तो-
होना चाहिए ना.
तो सुन ना ये सुन. Now it gets crazier. Okay, so before he bought the tiger, he had also previously from the same Bearcat Hollow Animal Park, he had bought a lion, and he managed to pass the lion off to somebody else. Okay, so this has happened before.
सब
Now-
ऐसा कहते हैं, अरे मेरे घर पे मुझे एक लायन रखना है, तेरे पास है? हाँ है. अब क्या है? तेरे पास
Funny you should
alligator भी है?
ask.
Alligator? और क्या क्या है? जिराफ लेकिन थोड़ा हाइट छोटा है. ऐसे विंडो के बाहर खड़ा रहता है.
Insane though. Okay, so now listen to this. Okay, now here's where I couldn't believe what I was reading. Okay, so the first part of this is that how do you keep the big question is really that how do you keep a tiger in an apartment without everybody finding out that you have a goddamn tiger, right? पहला तो ये बॉम्बे में हो ही नहीं सकता, right? It's impossible, right? Or anywhere
अबे
else in India.
ये कभी लेके भी कैसा आया टाइगर को? तो ऐसे नहीं
छोटा
कि
था ना,
टाइगर को ऐसे
8 week.
हाँ ओके
It was an 8-week cub.
8
So
week, हाँ correct.
he smuggled him.
कब का लेके आया उसको, bro?
अबे लेकिन ये टाइगर खा रहा क्या इतने टाइम से?
So exactly. So now the thing was, like, that's what I was coming to, like the fact that you can't keep it in Bombay because everyone just enters your house, like neighbors, chini chahiye, aa gaya tiger hai udhar, right? So, but this guy was able to keep it on the down low. People in his building kind of knew, like, but they knew it as an urban legend
How do you kind of know there is a tiger? You either know there is a tiger or not.
because they used to hear this animal. Okay, sometimes.
They're like यार मुकेश बहुत नेचर डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखता है, काफी रियलिस्टिक, अच्छा साउंड सराउंड साउंड है उसके घर पे, रोज टाइगर आएगा का आवाज आ रहा है, रात को लोग चिल्ला रहे हैं, कभी कभी इंसान के चिल्लाने की भी आवाज आती है.
So
उसका दोस्त वापस गया नहीं पार्टी के बाद, क्या हुआ उसके?
So now I'll tell you about that. So basically, and one of the giveaways was that the neighbors would keep seeing Antoine Yates bringing in like kilos and kilos of raw chicken from the local supermarket.
Hey bro, I'm on a high protein diet.
So apparently he was feeding Ming 9 kgs of chicken livers and bones per day. Okay, तो लोग थोड़ा confused थे कि how is he getting through so much chicken? This is insane for a person who just lives alone. How the fuck is he doing this? But it wasn't just that he was living alone, because he wasn't. He put out an ad and got roommates. And at first, he didn't tell them. He didn't tell them.
Wow, bro.
So I'm reading a direct quote, okay?
Dude, imagine you walk into the house like this is nice. What? Why is there a fucking
नहीं, और ये रूम में देखिए आप बाहर व्यू देख सकते हैं. ये रूम में टाइगर है.
ये रूम में एल.
Bro, you know the
Al,
thing
he
is-
chills.
the
बस
thing
उसका
is-
मुंह खुला रहता है, वो मुंह खोल के सोता है वो.
Clearly, these people have been brought in saying कि यार यहाँ rent बहुत ही सस्ता है. क्या हो सकता है? And then they come in and they're like, oh, got it.
So do
So-
these people continue to stay or are they lunch?
So I'll tell you. So this is a quote from reading from the New York Daily News. Okay. So a woman who shared the Harlem apartment with the 450-pound tiger or 425-pound tiger said that she was terrified at first, but soon got used to living with the man-eater. Caroline Domingo told the Daily News that she couldn't believe her eyes when she first spotted the big cat roaming free in the apartment, where she and her husband rented a room from tiger owner Antoine Yates. But eventually she said, we all became family.
Bro, but that's how high the New York property rates are.
Yeah.
टाइगर के साथ रह लेगा bro. बोले हाँ टाइगर एलिगेटर जो भी है क्या है, कुछ पॉइजनस स्नेक है वो भी दे दो चलेगा, मैं रह लूंगा.
So apart from the whole thing, Antoine was arrested for reckless endangerment and possession of wild animal, which is
But which in
course.
a lot of states in the US, if you look, is allowed.
okay. Yeah,
And
like I
they
think
are
Texas.
Texas तो वैसे भी सब कुछ allowed है Texas में, but they are trading in a lot of animals and a lot of crazy ones also. Abhi, obviously it's not crazier than a tiger, but I'm saying that even almost endangered species. So after Tiger King came out, right, there was the focus on Americans owning random animals from across the world. They're not even from
Yeah.
where they get smuggled
Indigenous,
in.
yeah.
Indigenous, correct. They are indigenous to China, to India. India कहाँ भी कोई bird आ रहा है, कुछ ये आ रहा है. US में बहुत ज़्यादा smuggling होता है.
Private zoos and all of that
हाँ,
stuff.
private zoos. But you know, even when you watch Tiger King, it's all the other zookeepers, right? They also talk about once you're in the periphery of tigers, something pretty much changes in you inherently. Each and every person had that story that they're scared at first and this and that, but you start developing this weird connection because
अरे वो बिल्ली है ना इसके लिए.
हाँ?
It's a बिल्ली, no, eventually. And cats do this.
कान के नीचे देगी बिल्ली देखो खत्म.
Begum, but 10 times bigger. That's what
Yeah,
this cat is.
तू बेगम है उसका फिर वो बोल रहा है in an alternate बेगम पॉडकास्ट करेगा.
So his Antoine Yates' mother was also charged with endangering the welfare of a child since she had been babysitting in the apartment with the tiger around. ठीक है, तो बच्चा भी था जब टाइगर घूम रहा है, ये सब था. ठीक है. So
Wow, bro.
now here's the other thing. Yates was released after having served 3 months, and subsequently he sued the city for the loss of his pets.
Welcome to America, bro.
Okay.
कुछ भी कोई भी सू कर सकता है.
Here's the thing, including, I love how someone's written this in the Wikipedia article, because it says he sued the city for the loss of his pets, brackets, including a rabbit.
मेरे को देखना है कि रैबिट कैसे कोहैबिट कर रहा है सबके साथ, कि टाइगर ऐसे रात को उठा है भूखेला और उधर रैबिट है बैठा हुआ है,
वो तो चिकन है.
रैबिट बैठा हुआ है और रैबिट ऐसे देख रहा है टाइगर को, टाइगर भी रैबिट को देख रहा है. एली भी बाहर आ गया. एली क्या है उसका नाम? एलन. एल. अच्छा एली वो भी बाहर आ गया. सब एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं कि देख वैसे तो.
और बाजू में उसका मम्मी बेबी सिट कर रहा है, बोल रहा है चल बेबी को खा लेते हैं.
Oh my God, dude. Rabbit भी बोल रहा है, bro, मैं भी भरता हूँ रेंट. ठीक है.
तुम लोग बहुत महंगे हो, 9 किलो चिकन खाते हैं तू टाइगर. मैं क्या, मैं गाजर खा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, तो मेरे को रहने दे.
he sued the state, he sued the city for 7,000 cash. Okay. No, sorry, including the pets and 7,000 cash, which he claimed to be in the apartment, which wasn't there. The judge dismissed the case, calling him full of chutzpah.
Wow. So, how is this not bigger news? Like, it's 2003 ka tune bola.
2003. So okay. Now I'll just tell you the final aftermath of the whole thing. Okay. Ming spent the rest of his life at Noah's Lost Ark Animal Sanctuary in Berlin Center, Ohio. He eventually died of natural causes in February 2019. Okay. Al ka kuch pata nahi hai. And
Al
oh no, wait, Al was given a new home in Indiana. Sorry,
in India, where he ate Rekha.
Indiana. Where he ate Rekha.
Like, you can't not mention. एक बार तो मैं कब से रुका हूँ कि एक मोमेंट आएगा जब मैं बोल सकूं, और वो आ चुका है. Al, when last heard, Al has moved to India, where he went on to eat Rekha, and now he's back. But he's dead.
Around 100 days later.
Around 2010, Yates lived in Nevada near Las Vegas with 22 big cats, including 4 tigers, having redubbed himself Antoine Tiger Man Yates. He established the Reach Out and Respond, ROAR, Reach Out and Respond.
Wow.
Foundation in 2011. In a 2018 article in New York Post, it cast doubt on Yates's veracity, noting that a licensed tiger owner in Parum stated that Yates had never lived in Nevada. But if you want to know more about this, there's a documentary where Ming is mentioned. It's called The Tiger Next Door.
Wow.
And yeah.
How aptly titled.
Yeah. There's another one called Ming of Harlem, 21 Stories in the Air.
We should have ended with this story now in hindsight.
Oof. Yeah.
Wow,
so that's
bro,
the story of Ming. What a wild story.
Ming of
thanks so much for watching this episode. We cannot talk.
मैं स्टोरी बोल रहा हूँ मेरे शॉपिंग में मेरे साथ क्या हुआ उसके बारे में. How do you go from Ming of Harlem to?
Wait, I know the connection. So Yates also went shopping. But for
no, it's not about that. It's about the interest value of the. It's about the interest value of the story. Suddenly,
talking about shopping for animals. मैं भी चिकन खरीद रहा था. I shop for clothes the other day.
Leopard print.
Today, yeah, I was leopard print. Bro, it's come to a point where like I shop for. तुम लोग online shopping कितना करता है?
Bro, मैं इतना नहीं करता लेकिन मैं पिछले 2 हफ्ते में बहुत चीजों को कार्ट में डाला है.
ये निकिता करती है. She constantly, anytime we are sitting, we are watching something, she's on a phone ना देखेगा तो वो बैठ के अपना कार्ट भरते जा रही है. Bazillion websites, but she's like, it makes sense, right? You don't have to shop it then. तू बना के रख दे, you like करके रख दे or whatever, so that in the eventuality of you actually needing it, it's already done.
Yeah.
But मैं वो नहीं किया, ठीक है?
नहीं मैं functional shopping को कार्ट में रखा है because मैं उधर भी overthink कर रहा है.
ओवरथिंक ब्रो ब्लैक होल है, ठीक है. तो मैं बैठा करने के लिए, बिकॉज एज यूजुअल वार्डरोब खोलता है, अरे मेरे पास कपड़े ही नहीं है, भरा पड़ा है, ठीक है, लेकिन मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है. तो आप डिसाइडेड अभी शॉपिंग करने किधर जा तो नहीं सकते बिकॉज मॉल्स आर शट, राइट? स्टिल ओनली डबल वैक्स्ड और व्हाटएवर सिचुएशन इज हैपनिंग. सो ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करेगा, एंड आई हेट ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग.
सेम, आई मीन फॉर क्लोथ्स,
स्पेशली फॉर क्लोथ्स. ओके, आई लाइक ओल्ड स्कूल. जाओ दुकान में, पहन के देखो और अग्री करो. दिस ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग फॉर रैंडम स्टफ, अरे मेरे को एक बनियान चाहिए, चड्डी चाहिए, ठीक है, अंडरस्टैंडेबल, बट हाफ द शिट नेवर कम्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द राइट साइज फॉर मी. निकिता इज अ निंजा ब्रो. निकिता फुल निंजा है व्हेन इट कम्स टू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. मैं जब भी करने की कोशिश किया, आधे से ज्यादा मेरे कपड़े या तो फिट नहीं हो रहे, साइज बड़ा है, जैसे दिखा था वैसे है नहीं. लाइक टुडे एवरीथिंग आई हैव कॉल्ड फॉर comparing sizes, ठीक है, उतर आता है ना size guide, 9 out of 10 times is fucking wrong, I think. Because somewhere I'm medium, somewhere I'm large, somewhere I'm extra small.
Yes.
ये कभी हो गया?
Fuck, मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ. Like this is my main issue with and I keep telling this to Siddhi.
Don't they give you but they give you a size chart.
नहीं, but
they give you
36 and this is 34 and this is this.
यार,
तो मैं क्या हर टी शर्ट के पहले टेप लेके बैठूं क्या?
For the website that you are shopping, तो I think करना पड़ेगा ना यार.
Hey, but Baba, it's like, it's the fit and all that also. Like, for example,
what
with
you're
me, I
saying.
had called for some shirts. Okay. Some of them, they sent a slim fit, and that just looks horrendous on
नहीं, but
my
that's if you've selected slim fit.
vibe. Yeah, but no, I mean, like, we hadn't, it didn't say slim fit on the app.
Ah.
And when it came, it was like slim fit. So it's like, it's pointless. So then you have to return it. And it's a whole, like, I never understand. Like, Siddhi finds it extremely convenient to keep doing
Yeah.
the thing, when you
Same,
call for
same,
it, send
same,
it back,
same.
it's fine.
Nikita also same.
But I
Bro,
can't.
and the whole
it's just
time I'm
too much
shopping, I'm
chaos.
telling her, I'm like, because I love shopping in general. अगर जब भी दुकान खुला होगा ना, मैं खुशी खुशी जाता है shopping करने. But online shopping मेरा दिमाग हटता है because I know I'm going to spend a minimum of 2 hours just going through everything. पहला तो फिर उसको डालो साइज ये करो वो करो. मैं उसको करते करते भी बोल रहा हूँ कि यार it's going to suck. And literally that's what happened. 16 चीजें मंगाया, उसमें से मैं 15 रिटर्न कर रहा हूँ.
Oh, by the way, dude, speaking of this, yesterday or 2 days back, sorry, Siddhi was talking, I overheard her, okay, bitching about me on a work call with a work colleague. So both of them were talking about their husbands.
वो उनका टीम बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटी है ब्रो.
So they're both talking about their husbands, and they're like, and both of them the same thing. They're like, look, they like doing online shopping, and me and her husband, apparently, we both despise it. And here's how I approach shopping, okay, especially clothes. It's a once in a year for affair for me. Like, I go once to lifestyle and I buy all the clothes, and then that's it. And it was the same for Siddhi's colleague's husband. So, and they were both saying, how are they like this? That, the joy of just getting something every month, like just even a small thing, like one thing, like that's so much better than this functional once a year thing. I was like, man, I don't feel like, I feel joy when you wear a new thing, but it's not like a thing I enjoy doing. I don't enjoy going to the trial room, putting that thing on, realizing that you're unfit, so you take it off and it doesn't fit. And the moves aren't helping. Like, the whole like thing that you have to go through, and that awful feeling when you put on like the clothes at the store, right? And you see yourself in the mirror, and then you have to take them off and put the clothes that you came in, and they always look tatty as fuck.
Yeah,
right?
Because by then it's already crumpled bhi ho gaya.
Yeah, it's got.
And you tried so many better, nicer fitting, crisper collar, brighter color.
Yeah,
जो भी कपड़ा पहनेगा गंदा लगेगा.
It's not been machine washed 1,000 times, like the color hasn't like run off.
But so, I तो enjoy shopping. तो मेरे को मजा आता है कि periodically, मतलब जाना पहले मजा आता था. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. Online is not as much fun because again, apart from your known brands, which are fine, nowadays has become such an influx of, I can't scroll through Instagram without like 80 different new brands that are there. And somehow they seem to have exactly what I want.
Yes.
No, when I'm saying not
the ad has exactly what you want.
The ad has exactly what I want. Now we know that phone is listening, this is listening, algorithm, blah, blah, blah. वो सब तो है.
Oh shit, really or what?
But अबे वही तो बोला वो सब तो है.
Look at this advertiser pretending as if this is new information.
No, but the thing is, it's that happens where I talk about clothes and I get clothes. But if I'm suddenly saying I want, like, I'm thinking कि मेरे को एक stripe shirt चाहिए था, येलो और ग्रीन वाला, जो मेरे दिमाग में कहीं तो मैंने देखा था. लिटरली वो हुआ है ब्रो. I'm not kidding.
तूने एड में ही देखा था.
I don't know what came first. My thought about wanting that shirt or that ad about that shirt. ठीक है. And मैं देखा, मैं चल हो जेश अभी ये खरीदूंगा. तो गया ऑनलाइन, कुछ 4,500 रुपए का था. ठीक है. ऐसे एक मिनट, ये कुछ ज्यादा ही महंगा है. 4,500 रुपए का.
Yeah.
And Nikita told me one thing again. She said, all of these Instagram, Facebook wala na, sometimes we like it so much, अरे चल खरीद लेते हैं. And many a times the brands have been legit. But again, taking forward from scams, a lot of them are fucking scams, because you'll see the t-shirt, you'll see it or the shirt, whatever, and you'll be like, wow, yehi chahiye, and then eventually it comes. But it looks a fraction of what it did in that picture. And also randomly the material is not cotton, it's polyester. तो तू गर्मी में मर जाएगा, वैसे वाला है. Then I saw this one website, and
और तू refund का बटन क्लिक करता है तो उधर बड़े में आता है fuck you.
अरे वो भी नहीं आता है. So what I started doing is literally every brand that pops up, I go and first Google whether it's legit or no.
Yeah.
And by literally typing is XYZ brand legit, and you will get responses. And the one from where I wanted to get the shirt, which was 4,600, which I was asking Nikita, is it really good? Should I buy it? She's like, if you like it, buy it. Was a fake one.
Oof.
Yeah, there are many of these sites which sort of help you
और
at least.
मैंने literally Google किया is XYZ a fake or a legit site, whatever. और उस पे आया है. Do not buy from here. This is a scam website. Money didn't come. This, that, and scam as in like legit scam था वो apparently.
Dude, by the way, so this is not a scam. What I'm talking about, I don't know, but it feels like one. The guy's got one ad. It's a company that just sells black stuff, like black t-shirt, black pant, black, and you go there, and the whole thing is just like black clothes. Okay, plain black clothes. Or prices are कुछ 8,000 for a t-shirt. Like yeah. It's black.
It's a black t-shirt. सर इसमें अलग क्या है? ये black है. नहीं सर मेरे पास भी black है. इसमें क्या है? ये इतना black है.
बहुत ही black.
बहुत ज़्यादा black. So तो does it become another color? No, it's black.
No, but Siddhi shops like this now, right? She'll look at her phone. Scented candle. Vanilla scented candle.
Now wait till you get ads about vanilla scented candle on your phone.
Shit.
Just give it a minute.
But because I was looking at this post, right, about reviews and checking whether this specific website that I'm trying to shop from is legit or not. तो उसमें randomly obviously page 2, page 3 ऐसे देखते गया तो articles खुले और ऐसे history of shopping आया, ठीक है? उसमें apparently the oldest customer service complaint was written on a clay cuneiform tablet in Mesopotamia 4,000 years ago.
Wow.
And the complaint was that this customer called Nanni was sold inferior copper ingots.
Wow. Meaning ये customer complaint
पहले से चल रहा है.
नहीं है. हाँ,
पहले से चल रहा है.
But if you just change the
में भी कोई मार के टैबलेट पे लिख रहा है कि भाई मेरे को कॉपर इंगॉट बराबर नहीं है.
And other people आके अपने खुद से upvote कर रहे हैं. Yes.
No, but here's the other thing. If you just change a couple of words in that review still holds true for today also.
Yeah, it's the same review.
But bro, then I went into black hole. और है ऐसे थोड़े. Where was it? Like
no, but I'm
battles.
saying.
Okay, listen to this. Before battles, Roman gladiators used to read product endorsements.
Shut the what?
Yeah,
Why?
The makers of Gladiator planned to show this, but they nixed the idea out of the fear that audiences won't believe it.
But what does that mean? What do you mean they used to read customer report?
Product
Not customer reviews. They would basically endorse a product because they were really
Before
brave.
For
no?
what?
They were the heroes, gladiators before they fought.
Okay.
आज मैंने प्रोटीन शेक पिया तो मैं इसको हराऊंगा ऐसा.
अरे Roman gladiators read product endorsement as in whatever they are using to fight उसका क्या रिपोर्ट है मार्केट में कि
अरे एक्चुअली थोड़ी प्रोटीन शेक पे रहे.
ये शील्ड अच्छा है क्या? नहीं इतना खास नहीं है. मैंने यूज किया और मैं मर गया.
Marcus Aurelius, father to a murdered son, father to a murdered bride, and protein shake drinker.
guys, bhari loophole. They can't be doing this before the battle. It has to be after the battle. Because you can't be like, guys, Nike is amazing, and then you die, and people are like, no, maybe not amazing.
No, but Nike is amazing because it helps me fight till death.
I mean, but won't you just wait for whoever wins?
Yeah, because you don't have recording technology.
Boost the secret of my energy.
But you don't have recording technology, na? In the Greek era, you didn't have it, na? So you couldn't record it and play the ad later.
At the end.
I don't think so.
But like this other thing that now we are talking about shopping, right? तो मैं थोड़ा shopping behavior patterns ये सब देख रहा था. उसमें एक चीज था which is so fucking true is that when a person who's shopping, right, shops an item that has been on his or her shopping list, eventually ends up buying a completely unrelated item as like a gift, a kind of reward. Suppose you have this shopping list और तूने जाके वो shopping list से अपना proper सब shop किया है. usually towards the end you will randomly buy an unrelated product.
Why?
As an impulse buy, because as a reward to yourself कि अरे मैं proper करके shopping list के हिसाब से मेरे को सब मिला तो चल मैं ये खरीद लेता हूँ. And this has happened to me. It's not happened to you ever. अरे bro, of course. Let us know in the comments if it's happened to you, where तूने जाके प्रॉपर्ली कुछ शॉपिंग कर तो एंड में जाके कुछ चूतिया को डालेगा कि चलिए ऐसे ही.
अरे bro, but have you not realized why malls also are designed like Vegas casinos? They're designed without no windows, no clocks.
You can't. You have to lose track of time.
Aisles, all of that. They're designed to make sure that you spend as much time there as you need to.
And the thing is, you enter the shopping mall and it shows you, right? You are here. ये इधर है, ये वो उधर है. No matter what they show you, you will still never find it.
No, but you're talking about a mall. I am talking about even in like a
Dubai Mall, for example.
Dubai Mall too, but Dubai Mall you need 4 days to finish walking. Yeah. I'm saying you're talking still about a mall. I'm saying even if you go to an Apna Bazaar or you go to like a Nature's Basket, the or a Big Bazaar or a D-Mart, the intention is to keep you in that space for as long as possible, right? So the design of it has always been conceived with this whole like making sure you spend as much time as you need.
No, but also like so much of those learnings and things, I mean obviously they are also adapted to the digital space. कि अभी इतने टाइम से मॉल बंद है, मैं इसको कैसे रखूं पूरा टाइम अपने फोन पे, और आ ही जाता है ब्रो, whether it's discounts or the way they'll push a specific ad for you, whatever the different tricks may be. It's crazy to see how they do it. और 2 घंटा तो बैठेगा ही बैठेगा ब्रो. एक दिन कभी सोच कह रहे यार मेरे को Amazon से ना ये मंगाना है, और तू अपना फोन खोल और तेरे को मंगाना क्या है, अरे मेरे को टॉयलेट क्लीनर मंगाना है. तू चालू करेगा टॉयलेट क्लीनर से और एंड करेगा वैनिला सेंटेड कैंडल्स by the end of it. I've never been able to just go and get one thing.
No, that's why you should. That's why you should work. That's why you should either work in the industry or get calls from the industry constantly, so that you can only shop for that one product and then get out.
हमेशा 2-3 pointless चीज तो ले ही लेता है.
The supermarket में they like, so what they would do is they basically used to keep the most high, the most required items, right? They would put it at the back of the supermarket. Okay, so for example, especially things like bread and all, they would keep it at the back, so that you have to go through the entire supermarket, and in that time, तेरे नजर में जो भी आ गया तू डाल देगा अपने कार्ट में.
Same thing. Look at chemist.
Yeah.
Chemist के पास जाएगा, pharmacist के पास जाएगा, तो same चीज है. जो तेरा चाहिए सामान वो सब पीछे आगे ऊपर सब बाकी टाइम पास चीज है. मैं दूध लेने जा रहा हूँ तो पहले सामान क्यों खरीद रहा हूँ मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन है सामान पहले दिख रहा है मुझे for some reason. But yeah, it's and like it's become, we started talking about like clothes का shopping, but अभी अपन shopping in general का बात कर रहे हैं. तो जितना convenient हो गया है to buy, like I was complaining about returning, and I think we should talk about that, Baba, where the returning has also become that much easier, right? For you to keep coming back to that specific site, and you keep doing it. मैं कपड़ा लिया, 15 कपड़ा अच्छा नहीं लगा, literally टप return, कल सुबह को आके लेगा, शाम तक पैसा return. And I'm like, okay, I don't feel like I've lost a day going out shopping. जो 2 चीज फिट हो गया, अगले बार बराबर देख के करूंगा. The dark side of that was and is always going to continue being the people who are helping fulfill this logistics.
No, it's not just fulfill the logistics, even the vendors who are actually because there are so many false returns that just happen. There's a lot of false returns that happen, right? And the point is the conduit, the website that you've placed the order on never gets fucked, right? It's not the conglomerate. It's not the conduit is the right word. It's not the service that you're actually using. It's the vendor who is probably a small, vendor somewhere. And they really suffer, right? Because there's so many false claims. It's not like Thakur is returning it because genuinely usko fit nahi ho raha hai. But there's some people are scamming. Some people are using. There have been stories of people putting back their old thing in the same packaging, sending it back, saying, "Dekh, तूने तो यही भेजा है. हमको, because तेरे को क्या करना है, what evidence do they need? You open the package and you send them a picture. When you get it with from the delivery person, you've not opened it then, so you can always open it, put your old thing in, and people are taking pictures and sending it
I
back and
don't.
stuff. So there's
Okay,
a lot of
that I
this.
don't know about, but I'm talking about like because it's next day delivery and instant
Yeah, it's become
return and
chaos.
this and
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
So there's a army of people who's executing
There's
this,
an
right?
entire industry. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
man.
I mean, and they're constantly under pressure because if you have to meet those logistical standards, you need to hire those many people, and it's the lowest end of that cog in that wheel that suffers the most.
Yeah.
The person who's coming right up to your door to collect the parcel or give the parcel, that person
Yeah,
ends
yeah.
up suffering the
It's
most.
also because तेरे घर से फिर मेरे घर से फिर कौतुक के घर से फिर इसके घर से फिर उसके घर से इसके, by that, and then the point is by the time if they're even like an hour, 2 hours late or whatever, you're like अरे लेकिन आपने तो बोला आप 10 बजे तक आएंगे, आप तो 10:30 बजे कैसे आए? And you know there's that kind of, and there's a lot of like, while not everyone is like that, and I think that 90% of the people are not like that, but the 10% who are like that would really make you feel shitty, about it, and that's not nice. So yeah.
Dude, like there is one like, while internet said so, like go check out this one YouTube stand-up clip by this comedian called Ronnie Cheng, who has this bit on Amazon, Amazon Prime. And his basic premise is that we want everything now, but not just now. So it's like earlier it used to be like 2-day delivery. They were like, nay, 1-day delivery. No, same day delivery. Right. And then it's like, I put out my hand, you put something in it. Fuck it. So I want you to figure out what I want before I want it.
And then I want it immediately. Right?
Yeah.
We were talking about Mesopotamia, right? Where they spoke about customer reviews. So some of the oldest known writing in the world includes a 5,000-year-old receipt inscribed on a clay tablet. You know what it was for? It was for clothing that was sent by boat from ancient Mesopotamia to current day Bahrain. The oldest form of writing, लेकिन उस पे भी कपड़े
It took that long that it went from ancient Mesopotamia to modern Bahrain. It took that long to travel.
No, to what is modern day Bahrain. The place was called Dilmun, which is now Bahrain.
Bro, imagine in
5,000 Mesopotamia.
Yeah.
डिलीवर होने को कपड़ा, और वो अभी भी रुका है
ऑन द वे सर, आपका आना किधर है? बाहर ना, लेकिन वो मैप में
Bro,
नहीं, मेरा आना दिलमुन है, लेकिन सर मैप पे दिलमुन नहीं दिखा रहा. अरे 2000 साल के बाद नाम तो बदलेगा.
No, 1 second. And also imagine the guy at Bahrain. And he's like, fuck, I need to get in touch with Babylonian Mintra because this don't fit me. तो उसने भेजा वापस शिप से, फिर वो वापस शिप से आया.
And that's how trade started. और क्या था, एक और ज्यादा पूछा, बहुत funny.
Oh, bro, okay, let me tell you one customer complaint we found. So fucking hilarious. And here's the cool thing about customer complaints, right? Or customer reviews, I should say, not complaints, like reviews. Because some like reviews are of all kinds. Right? There's helpful ones, there's like to the point, all of that stuff.
And the funny thing is, people who actually enjoy a service or enjoy something, and this includes me, we don't say anything about it. You don't say. It's only when you've had a fucked up experience. Fortunately for me, I don't even do that because I'm like, so you don't.
I mean, झंझट में गिरेगा.
Yeah, कौन झंझट में घुसेगा?
No, but Baba, there is this one type of review which I love.
It's
so
not
much,
like I've not done it, but it's not as often. That's all.
It's a personal review where you find out about the person themselves. It's more about that person than the review.
I am tall and they sent me shoes.
No, it's more personal than that. So there was this. So we were looking for photo frames, okay, for the house. So now Siddhi's a super ninja at online shopping where she just like goes to a thing, looks at the reviews, looks at the rating, looks at everything, and then she's like, I know which one to buy. So she was going through all of these photo frame reviews, and then she comes upon one and she's like, you have to read this. She shows it to me and I was like, what is it? And it just says 1 star. Photo frame is too small. and Sara Ali Khan is advertising for it, so getting bad vibes.
Very specific review of that one person who doesn't like Sara Ali Khan for some reason.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like it's more about that person and Sara Ali Khan or all of that stuff rather than just the photo frame, which is very interesting to me. I love those reviews.
You know, so I found this one thing. Okay, so Cyber Monday is not the biggest day for online shopping. The
No.
title belongs to November 11th or Singles Day, which is a holiday in China that encourages singles to send themselves gifts. According to Fortune, this year's event smashed all previous records with more than 38 million in sales.
Bro, big billion day
38
sale जब होता है.
million.
क्यों तू कितना डालता है बे एक दिन के शॉपिंग में? 38
अरे मैं
million
अकेला नहीं. I'm just saying it's. I'm saying I know what the average sales.
तू डाला
what the
कभी
average-
38 million शॉपिंग में?
नहीं,
हाँ फिर
मैं नहीं डाला. लेकिन मेरे को I'm saying just from an
Bhava
ARPU
has seen a
conversation.
PPT where it's like
it's
I'm just
actually
saying-
$145 billion. That's
So I'm just saying, like, I mean, because that
नहीं,
ARPU would
देख-
be very small.
it's I believe whatever mental floss has to say, and this
Yeah.
is what
Of
mental
course.
floss is.
yeah, mental floss.
I'm
So,
surprised you didn't say what
I'm-
ARPU. I'm surprised you didn't ask me what ARPU is.
Huh?
ARPU is what?
What is ARPU?
ARPU is average revenue per user.
And that's it from this podcast
I
and
knew it.
the
Dude, the first
forthcoming
time I
months
heard-
for Bava. It's
We will
only
bring
Kautuk
Adar
and
back.
I, na.
No, we will bring Adar.
other back.
Yeah, I will bring Adar back. Correct.
Dude, I'm telling you, when I first heard ARPU, I've laughed for very long because it sounds only like ARPU.
So cute it sounds, yeah.
Yeah,
It sounds
Sounds
like
like
a
a Pokemon.
character who likes shopping in a Satyajit Ray film.
Oh,
that would be Orpu, not ARPU.
बट फिर भी अच्छा जोक था काफी सोच के इतना जल्दी बना ना.
ये सत्यजीत रे से डायरेक्शन से मैं शूटिंग के बारे में बात करता हूँ. ये मेरा सेगवे है गाइस.
वाह क्या सेग
थैंक यू फॉर सेटिंग इट अप.
से तेरा नाम तो होना चाहिए था सेगविजीत रे.
very nice. Very nice.
सॉरी हाँ अरे
क्या है तेरा सेगवेजित?
Segwajit. No. So, like you know, there's two problems, right? One is that when you were physically shooting, you were always complaining ki, you're not getting enough time to shoot, blah blah blah. You're also complaining ki itna log kyun? बहुत सारा complaints होता है. अभी a lot of the shoots, especially if you're not directing, like if you're agency or if you're creative or your client or writer or whatever, you can remotely supervise it because you don't want that many people on set. It's COVID protocol, etc. Right? So there's a lot of this which is happening on Zoom. Okay? So you're watching the same shoots. So you're watching the same monitor feed. You're watching while having chai in your boxers on the device of your choice. But what you don't understand is that there is an entire set that is working. ठीक है. और तूने इधर से ना एक ऐसा fuck call सा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, वो फ्लावर पॉट को थोड़ा लेफ्ट में लेना. लाइक तूने अगर सिर्फ इतना बोला है घर से, ठीक है, तो that the implication of that is that the person who's handling the Zoom feed has a third AD or a fourth AD sitting there who will on walkie tell the person thing, who will tell somebody else, who will tell somebody else, who will tell somebody else, right? And then finally that flower pot will move. So that instruction takes that long. So the shoots are also getting elongated. I mean, they're getting longer because
I trust you to move a flower pot.
No, I'm just giving you like any feedback you give, right? And the other fuck all thing is that obviously and 100% true, the director is not going to be sitting at this Zoom monitor. वो बेचारा या बेचारी या जो भी है वो direct कर रहा है उधर. So they're with the actors, right? So any instruction you want to give, you have to literally call the second AD or the first AD. The second AD will be like, wait a minute. And now there's a third problem. There's WhatsApp groups. जिधर एक feedback आ रहा है client का, फिर तू client के साथ झगड़ रहा है, फिर client के साथ झगड़ के फिर तू बोल रहा है ये, फिर वो जाके instruction दे रहा है उधर. And there is an entire unit where, because you've been on set, no, you know कि जो गाली दे रहा है वो लोग सब in line where the gali is happening.
Yeah.
Because take के बाद you are giving feedback ना. एक और टेक लेते हैं ना जिसमें ये होएगा और वो फ्लावर पॉट को मूव करना, like that's happening, right? So it has become so frustrating to be able to have to shoot from home, but people have started saying that acha, now if I'm shooting from home means I can do other work also.
Oh.
क्योंकि तू घर पे बैठा है, तो अभी तो तू दूसरा भी काम कर सकता है. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तू शूट पे फुल टाइम कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहा है, ये तो नहीं है. And it's damn
But
frustrating,
bro,
this
like
whole
it's
like shooting.
become I think it's come to a point where now that you know how the virus reaches its endemic stage, which is the population learns how to live with the virus.
Yeah.
कि होने वाला है, जा रहा नहीं है किधर, जैसे अपन पहुंच रहे हैं. Like India is
Yeah.
going towards that. Even work wise, I think it's reached an endemic thing where that's how we do now.
Yeah. And it's still,
Right? The
and it's
earlier
so
part of
wrong.
lockdown was this only, where even none of us could get out of our houses. So if you had a brand deal and you had to shoot a video, there would be 8 people on a Zoom call. There's a director who's directing. There is
और
client
चिल्ला रहे
who
हो,
has said,
फ्लावर
there's-
पॉट साइड में लेना.
हाँ, एक राइटर साइड में ये है, मैनेजमेंट है एक साइड पे
Client.
आर्ट वाला पर्सन है जिसने आर्ट का सामान बाहर रखा था तेरे घर पे, अभी तू वो लेके वो, यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, लाइक दिस पर्सन इज हेल्पिंग मी रीमॉडल माय हाउस as we speak. अच्छा, इसको इधर ले, वो काउच को ऐसा कर,
डीओपी वहां से बोल रहा है फोकल लेंथ क्या है तेरे लिए.
हाँ, और मैं ये जाके कर रहा हूँ, फिर एडजस्ट, अच्छा रेडी, तब भाग के आ रहा हूँ, कर रहा हूँ अपना सीन, वापस जाके देख रहा हूँ, अभी ये डेटा ट्रांसफर करके उसको देना है. डूड, इट वाज अ मतलब
Yeah. You realize the value of every person in that team.
yes, you
But-
just realize, you're like, नहीं भाई,
but I
set पे
still-
रहना, करना.
But because of this situation, we've had to thin down sets, right? Like I'm saying, I love an ad film set. Okay, forget content and
Why?
all of this because
Bro,
an ad
ad
film,
set पे पब्लिक मजे करते हैं, ठीक है
bro,
मजे.
an ad set. An ad
मतलब इन
set
लोग का
is-
बजट होता है बड़ा. खाना, the best food I've had on any set that I've been has been an ad set. If it's done by a good
Wait.
production and a good ad
Yeah.
agency,
हम प्रेग्नेंट है.
I'm pregnant है.
उसमें भी खाना बाप था ब्रो.
हाँ.
प्रॉपर अच्छा फ्रेंच कॉफी मिल रहा है, अच्छा खाना मिल रहा है.
So like an ad set is full pampering. Okay, so but the thing about all sets is it there are just so many people on a set, and now you've had to thin down crews because of COVID restrictions. You can't have that many people on set, and
Or you're
whatever,
bubbling
safety,
them.
etc.
Or you're bubbling
no,
them.
but even if you're bubbling them, no, for ads and all you can't bubble. No, मतलब एक दिन 2 दिन का shoot के लिए तू 14 दिन थोड़ी bubble करेगा किसी को, right? So it's all RT-PCR and all of that jazz, right? So the thing is, it's still taking the same amount of time and the same efficiency is being provided with 50% of the earlier crew.
Oh.
yeah.
You
But
know
that
what I'm saying?
most people have realized. They're like, एक मिनट यार, इसके 6 assistants की जरूरत नहीं थी. Because there's, you know, sometimes when you have ADs on set, right? On big project, you have, I'm 15th AD.
Yeah.
What is a 15th AD? A 15th AD is
Was a
nothing.
century in time.
His intern.
अच्छा क्या है करने के लिए? क्यों you've done ना, तो costume तो ये संभाल. So these people are handling the even more smallest part of the thing, wherein their job is to make sure that all the actors have sat in their car and left for location. बस खत्म.
अरे वरुण, now don't randomly give jobs to ADs. ADs आके तेरे को मारेगा सेट पे. अब भी बोल रहा हूँ, अगले सेट में तेरे को ADs
अबे जो
मारेगा.
तेरे हार्डकोर जो फर्स्ट एडी सेकंड एडी प्रॉपर कॉस्ट्यूम एडी अलग है, कंटिन्यूटी एडी अलग है, तो ये
Oh, but
सब
yeah.
होने के बाद
He's not.
He-
Yeah, he's not criticizing the ADs. He's criticizing a system which
The
would like-
redundancies, which built
हाँ,
in redundancy
कि
after
इतने
redundancy
छोटे से
after-
काम के लिए एक अलग पोजीशन बनाते हैं. Like that's a
Yeah,
stupid
yeah,
idea. Yeah.
No. So, and I'm saying like I mean, the thing is, I've shot in India and I've also shot abroad, right? So when you shoot
power
abroad,
flex.
the number of people that are on set, it's literally like you can count, like there'll be 5 people on set or like 7 people on set. बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट हुआ और स्टंट ड्राइवर है ये वो के साथ, अगर बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट है,
Mission
तो सब
Impossible, ना?
20 लोग रहेगा सेट. नहीं मैं
लोग
ऐड का
मिशन
बात कर रहा
इम्पॉसिबल.
हूँ. क्या बोल रहा है?
20 लोग.
20 लोग is Tom Cruise's ego. Dude.
सर, ये नए मिशन इम्पॉसिबल में 7 में सिर्फ 20 लोग हैं. क्या स्टंट्स है? मैं सोफे से जंप मारूंगा नीचे इस, बस नहीं, वो बाकी जो हार्डकोर स्टंट कराते उनको लिया नहीं हमने ये कोविड रिस्ट्रिक्शन. सो
नहीं एक मिनट. टॉम क्रूज डज हिज ओन स्टंट्स अगर.
या इसलिए अरे बट कोरियोग्राफ तो करने के लिए चाहिए ना, जैसे अभी मैंने पढ़ा ही इज डन
The plane,
1200 स्काई डाइविंग सेशंस एंड बाइक से सम ट्रिक्स, नॉट ट्रिक्स बट लाइक सम बाइक स्टंट्स के लिए एक होता है कुछ तो वो
tricks. He has reduced choreographed action sequences by John Woo into bike tricks.
Did you see at Carter Road?
Not even, dude. This sounds like somebody with training wheels has done a wheelie, dude.
a wheelie or a
bike
donkey.
trick.
No, not tricks. Not tricks. It was a slip of tongue. You. क्या बोल रहा था? Stunts.
Bike stunts.
Varun goes and watches Mission Undervalued.
Is it even a mission? Your mission, should you choose to, it's nothing. I have to jump from the sofa. I'll take it. I'll do it. It's fine.
Baba, by the way, talking of shooting and all of this stuff, let me tell you, I found this article on indiatoday.in, which says why.
Wow,
Hey, this
that's
is a
quite
legit,
a
man.
legit website.
Yeah,
for
that's
you,
a legit. It's not
Why
random
not TV
website.
Masala?
So it is. The article is. It's written by Suhani Singh and it was published on May 10th. And it says why India's TV industry is moving out of Mumbai. Okay.
Because you can't shoot in Mud Island anymore.
Yeah, exactly. So the Maharashtra government
Unless
has
you want to
ordered.
get attacked by a kaiju.
So there was a complete halt on shooting, right, of everything, which was from April 15th, and it had gone on till like way longer than that. So in that interim, there was an exodus, right, where TV show producers started moving their cast and crew outside the state to ensure that the show goes on. So here's which state benefited. Gujarat benefited a lot. Okay.
Closest na idhar se nikalne ke liye, because anyway half the shoots we were doing, although given parts of Shaitan were shot in Mira Road and Bhayandar.
And
Correct.
Vapi.
Remember, if we had done a pilot for a show, it had happened in those studios in Mira Road.
Yeah. And Vapi.
Right? Which
And
is-
then
it
there's
takes
also,
you an
there's
hour,
beyond
hour
that
and a
also.
half.
So
Yeah,
correct.
get
So Vapi, so Tarak Mehta ka Ulta Chashma and Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai are shooting in Vapi.
Yeah.
Right? Other locations include Rajkot, where Tera Yaar Hoon Main, and Surat, which is Surat mein Hero karke ek show hai. Wahan
So
wo
based
shoot
on these three shows, they're like Mumbai se shoot bahar ja rahe. Tera
No, so-
Yaar Hoon Main, Tarak Mehta.
But these
Rishta
are
Kya
big
But
Kehlata
it's
Hai?
shows,
also
huh?
but it's also very in Hindi specific TVs. So it's not everywhere.
So-
like I'm saying, Chennai, Hyderabad, Calcutta,
Bro, Ramoji
Delhi.
Film City, sab,
They're
yeah,
still doing.
thriving.
So here's
Yeah,
the other thing, right? Like for example, in this article they mention there's a producer who produced mythological epics, okay, like Mahabharata and Porus. So his thing was that he had to move out of Bombay because he had to give scale, and for that scale he needed more land, which is just not there in Bombay, right? So now the question that is interesting is that with all of these with this shift happening, do you ever see the film and TV industry ever going to any other part of this country apart from, meaning the jo Bollywood Hindi film industry hai?
No.
Do you ever seeing it going
No.
anywhere out of Bombay?
No,
Nahi
no, no.
jayenge,
There are enough people who are trying to create it. Like for example, so I don't think that the base will move. Right? I don't think that the base will move.
No,
You'll
but
do-
if you proposed Goa, like if you made up giant as like 2-3 studios in Goa,
There
everyone
are-
would leave tomorrow.
No,
But the thing
they
is,
won't.
at
Why?
core, you'll still have to be here attached to wherever your industry is mainly from. So, like the Kannada film industry is not going to suddenly move into Goa. Their base will
No, but-
still remain in Bangalore.
The Hindi
You know,
or
like-
Bollywood,
or
it's not
Tamil for that matter, or Malayalam.
it's not region specific, right? Like for example, our Hindi films
Yes,
are
but
across
it's
the
easier
country.
to go there, shoot and come back.
Come back.
Because it's not just that. The talent is here, the crew is here, technicians are here. This
But
is
shoot
considered
is
to
one part of it, bro. Shoot
Yeah.
is one part of it
There's
of a film, right? There's so many other things that
and it's
there are moving
and
parts.
there are no, like I think was it Yogi Adityanath who was building an entire was it Yogi Adityanath?
Yeah, they're doing another film city type situation in UP.
Yeah,
उधर
basically
है
creating an entire other thing. You look at Ramoji. If you just go to Ramoji is huge, extremely
This is Hyderabad, right?
fancy,
Hyderabad.
extremely fancy, extremely tech savvy. There's
Well equipped.
everything you need. It's really
Dude,
fucking good.
technical wise, the film industry down south, any of the three that are thriving, they are far superior, I feel.
So I'm saying,
They are
but
far
but you
superior.
won't see people move to Hyderabad to shoot at. You'll go for a 40-day schedule and come back.
Come back.
But you
But your
won't.
base will be here.
Your base will always be here. It's very difficult to move that. No, it's like it's like Hollywood is based in Hollywood. It's not based. It's not. I mean, Scorsese shoots the biggest directors. Shoots in. I mean, one of the biggest directors. Scorsese shoots in New York. This one shoots in New York. But the
But it's
studios are
difficult
there.
to
The
uproot
industry. You can't
Yeah.
uproot
It's
everything
too,
and pull it.
the roots are too deep, na,
It's
basically.
too deep, and too ingrained in the culture and everything around. Like it works both ways.
अरे तू
Right?
हम लोग तू स्टैंड अप स्पेशल का शूट का बात करना स्टैंड अप स्पेशल
वो
जो
भी बात
कितना
नहीं करना।
चुटर पुटर I mean in the schematic of things what is it you need fucking 6 cameras 8 cameras 12 cameras max
I
और
would
क्या
like
चाहिए
14.
तेरे सो ठाकुर सॉरी तेरे पास ही
I'd
बजट
like
नहीं है
one
तेरा
film
वाला
to
तेरे
come in
पास ही
like
बजट
that.
नहीं है तेरे
When
मैं
I
ही
walk
डायरेक्ट कर
in,
रहा हूँ ठाकुर
there's lights falling.
Cameras
I
are
can drop
falling.
a light on you. I can drop a
come-
light on you.
I'm suspended from a helicopter and I come down like
अरे Tom,
like our friend who comes.
is
Bro,
this the new bhai?
Are you
the
wearing
new
bell
bike.
bottoms Are you
It's the
wearing
new
bell
bike.
bottoms
I think it's the new bike.
Oh shit.
It's the new bike क्योंकि मैं बहुत हंस रहा था देख के अपन
अरे
लास्ट
bro,
टाइम ये सेम चीज पे बहुत हंसे
bell
बहुत
bottom
ज्यादा, बहुत ज्यादा.
Bell bottom.
Bell bottom.
Now in PVR. No, you know what I laughed at the most?
Guys, this is
Can I
the
just
new
catch
format. This is the new format where periodically we talk like
you
bell
know what
bottom.
you know what I laughed most about in that, even when I was cutting it, was she said, "This is not." I didn't say it's Akshay. It could be Lara Datta also. Okay. And then I said, "Imagine Lara saying Lara is Lara." And they were Lara. I was like, "Why is this a thing?" I've laughed too much at it. Sorry. So no, just I'm saying that to close it, like I'm saying, yeah, because a stand-up special, which is in the scheme of whatever is being shot, like a daily soap or a
sure.
ad
It's
or
not
a
as
film
expensive.
or whatever, right? A stand-up special also, every time a comic tells me, I mean, even if I'm directing, saying, "मेरे को बॉम्बे में शूट नहीं करना है," please बॉम्बे में शूट, like not for any other reason, it's just the convenience.
Convenience.
Of जो चाहिए वो मिलेगा तू
So
मतलब
yeah, unless they will randomly get you to give you like shooting rebates, so you set a part of your film elsewhere.
But
Like
that
ये
तो
बहुत
people are
बड़ा-
doing.
नहीं,
But
वो तो
that तो-
पहले से ही चल रहा है. So
हाँ,
that
scam
is
तो बहुत चल रहा है.
that one thing will always continue. I remember क्रिश का उन लोग ने ये किया था, MBA स्टडी था. It was a case study about how उन लोग ने कैसे शूटिंग वूटिंग सब सस्ते में निपटाया.
a lot. What is that?
Wow, what
that?
is the study?
Brahmastra shot a lot of it
Yeah,
in.
so they shot it in वो कौन सा Eastern European country.
Yeah. Was it Prague, Bucharest, or Budapest? One of the three.
नहीं. It wasn't one. It was
Belarus.
Wait,
Bulgaria.
Krish?
Bulgaria. No,
Krish
no.
too was shot in
no,
Bulgaria?
no.
अबे Krish first
Not Krish.
first was shot in Singapore. There was a big chunk of it जो पूरा सिंगापुर में.
Huh?
Because
If
they
you
are giving you
remember.
rebates.
Wasn't he in
Like-
Manali or something?
अरे वो चालू करते हैं मनाली में. Bro, that's like any of these Hollywood movies that start in Hollywood but they end in China. Right? Second half
Yeah.
is in Hong Kong for no reason. Right? Because
Yeah, so
that's
there's
the
a-
one way in which China opens up its market for you.
You get a
Because
lot
you
of
see
rebates. There's a lot of countries that
Yeah.
let you come there and stuff like that. Like I'm saying, and it's happened across. Like I'm saying, right from Switzerland. For
That's what
SG.
every year ना तेरा कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे कंट्रीज आते हैं जो लोग तेरे को ये दे रहे हैं. तो स्विट्जरलैंड तो यशराज ने ले लिया. धर्मा यूज्ड टू डू अ लॉट. मैं कल रात को कभी खुशी कभी गम देख रहा था. ठीक है. Where the
London.
second half is in London, first half they're in India, but that is also London. only.
London only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
देखो तो शाहरुख हेलीकॉप्टर में लैंड करता है. वो कहाँ है दिल्ली में? वो
हाँ.
जगह
हाँ.
कौन सी जगह है दिल्ली में? वो विक्टोरियन कासिल.
राजीव
so-
चौक से लेफ्ट.
वो मेरोली के
yeah.
पहले ये लेफ्ट साइड.
So
So,
yeah. I mean,
So
तो
yeah,
नहीं जाएगा बॉम्बे से is my point.
No, so then that means that the stars, and this is what I feel so bad for them, because they are making so much money, they have so much power, so much influence, and they have to live like everybody else in Bombay. Have to take that
they are
jetty.
not
and
living
seen
like
Mannat?
everybody else.
Have you
They are
seen
not
Mannat?
living like
What is
man.
wrong with you?
कौतुक तुम
Listen,
किस कौन
रुक,
से
रुक,
stars
wait,
को
I'll tell you,
compare कर
I'll
रहा
tell you
है?
what I mean. I'll tell you what I mean. तू अपने मेंशन से निकलेगा, ठीक है, और तेरे को बॉम्बे ट्रैफिक मिलेगा.
Of course.
और फिर तू मड आइलैंड जेटी लेगा. वो तो
हाँ,
है,
वो कंफर्म
वो
है.
तो
So
है.
why can't you live a non-Bombay life, right? Like just somewhere else.
But you can look
we
at
have-
Abhay Deol. Look at Abhay Deol.
ये भी चला
Look
गया
at
ना,
Rahul
अक्षय खन्ना
Khanna.
भी अलीबाग में रहता है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So I'm saying,
हाँ.
yeah, you look at there is enough people who
But-
look at Dharamji's Instagram, dude.
Dharamji is-
But when you're talking also about actors, I like Baba's examples. So look at Akshay Khanna. Look at
No,
Bobby
Akshay Khanna, I
Deol.
didn't say. I said Abhay Deol. Abhay Deol. I said Abhay Deol. But I'm saying one sec. Have you know? I started with Mannat. I'm saying you look at Mannat. Mannat is
Bhai
not.
lives in Galaxy apartment.
But no,
वो सिर्फ बाहर से है.
Like, that's crazy.
Bhai lives in Galaxy apartment, not floor of apartment. That's one. Two,
Bombay.
Bhai
सब-
also
सब-
lives
सब
only in
थोड़ा flat
Thane.
है उसका.
नहीं नहीं सब नहीं है 2-3 फ्लोर है. But I'm saying Bhai lives also in his farmhouse in Thane.
हाँ, Panvel.
नहीं
In Panvel, sorry. Bhai lives there. So Akshay Kumar lives in one of the 72 houses in Bombay. It doesn't matter.
That's
Oh,
not
Joe.
correct. Not 72 houses. It's
172.
71. You're watching Internet Setso episode 104. 2.
Thakur, you remember in Gandu Nights that quiz show which I used to host, like what color is red?
Classic.
चलो.
I have laughed so much on that.
इसके पहले कि मैं रेस्ट ऑफ द पॉडकास्ट ऐसे ही कर इसको बंद कर देते हैं.
All right, boy.
मस्त.
Thank you for watching. एक बंद ही नहीं होता.
निकाल.
Thank you for watching another episode of the Internet Set. So guys, we apologize that everything ends up being this towards the end, but yeah, let us know what
But
you
this
thought of
is
the
what
episode.
the call before the call is. It always ends and then we're
Let
like,
us know what you
"Chal,
think
shuru
about our ever-changing podcast format, you know, and let us know whenever you want us to shit, and we'll do that.
We'll film it.
Yeah, we'll film it. All we'll talk about it. On that note, that's the end of this episode. Thank you so much. See you again next week. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Shabba khair. Salamesh.